Welcome once again to Tecnoguia's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can see restricted chats. The first thing we are going to do is WhatsApp is to keep in mind that we're restricting a chat. You must have your cell phone pattern lock, PIN or by finger point to be able to unlock that chat. Now other thing is also the PIN that you put in configuration. If you don't know how to do, I'm looking for a video how to configure this is now. What we are going to do, in my case, I am going to restrict a chat here, chat lock with my finger point. Okay, and we can see here normal form and to slice this form, and we can say lock at chat, enter my finger point. This is lock at chat, and okay, go back, and if you have locked the pin, you will only place the pin on the top here and show I have made it with a pattern. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.